Hi, Lipiao here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn You Are the Seed. There's a Spanish version, but I'm singing it in English. Um, it's going to be in the key of C and fairly standard chords, so you should be able to handle this. Again, the C chord, F chord, G chord, A minor, and D minor. Okay, and let's play through the first verse slowly. This song is in duple or quadruple time, and so we'll be playing two strums per cymbal, and we'll be using a strumming pattern down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so we'll go through the first verse slowly. You are the seed that will grow, will you sprout? You're a star that will shine in the night. You are the east and a small grain of salt, a beacon to glow in the dark. You are the dawn that will bring a new day. You're the wheat that will bear golden grain. You are a sting and a soft, gentle touch, my witnesses wherever you go. Go, my friends, go to the world, proclaiming love to all. Messengers of my forgiving peace, eternal love. Be my friends, a loyal witness. From the dead I arose. Lo, I'll be with you forever, till the end of the world. Grab your song sheets and we'll play through all three verses once through. You are the seed that will grow, a new sprout. You're a star that will shine in the night. You are the east and a small grain of salt, a beacon to glow in the dark. You are the dawn that will bring a new day. You're the wheat that will bear golden grain. You are a sting and a soft, gentle touch, my witnesses wherever you go. Go, my friends, go to the world, proclaiming love to all. Messengers of my forgiving peace, eternal love. Be my friends, a loyal witness. From the dead I arose. Lo, that was You Are the Seed. And again, I enjoyed learning this hymn tremendously. It's beautiful and it's uplifting. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I did this week. See you next time.